Hello, musicians. Thanks for watching. Today's lesson is about how to find the key C on any keyboard, no matter the size. So let's dive right in. This method is going to help you find the key C on any keyboard, no matter the size. What you want to remember is there are two sets of black keys on every keyboard, which we call those black keys flats, and we call them sharps. What you want to remember is that there are two sets of black keys on the keyboard. There's a set of 2 black keys and a set of 3 black keys. When finding the key C, you want to look for the 2 black keys, and C is to the left of those 2 black keys. 2 black keys, C. 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 Now you try. Thanks for watching. Until next time, like, subscribe, and comment for more videos.